Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Rob and today I'm going to be unboxing the BitBox02 by Shift Crypto. So after doing extensive research, I have decided to put all of my sacred Bitcoins into a BitBox02, and the reason I did this is, well, there's about 3 reasons. The first reason is I started looking into the Trezor and the Ledger like everybody else did, and although it seems like a great hardware wallet, I actually stumbled upon a video by this group of guys called Wallet Hack, or Wallet Fail. I'm gonna link this exact video below so you can check it out. But essentially these guys put on a presentation about how they were able to hack into the Ledger and the Trezor. They were able to hack into the Ledger pretty easily, and actually, just to shame the designers even more, they downloaded a Snake game into the Ledger so you could actually like play Snake through your Ledger. Is pretty bad. And with the Trezor, they were also able to hack into it if they got a hold of the device, okay? So after doing my research, I couldn't find any evidence that anybody was able to hack into the BitBox, so naturally I picked one up. The second huge reason why I picked up the BitBox02 by Shift Crypto is because I do not believe that they have a way to promote their product. So what I mean by that is everybody on Trezor and Ledger, you go to the link and they are trying to sell the item to you. Now, I don't think that they're bad hardware wallets, but what that means is if you do your research, it's going to be totally biased towards Ledgers and Nano, because I think you can just go onto their website and download an affiliate link and make a little bit of money. You can't do that with this one. There are a few people that have gotten sponsorship deals with this device, but I think they were directly contacted through the company, and there's just not a lot of people pushing this product. But if you go to bitcoin.org, this is the #1 rated wallet that they recommend on the bitcoin.org website. So Satoshi Nakamoto himself. So the last reason that I picked this up is because the Trezor and the Ledger are both manufactured in China, and this bad boy is manufactured in Switzerland, okay? I might be a little paranoid, but to me, that's a big deal. When a lot of people unbox these things, they just rip them open, and like I said earlier with the supply chain attack, that means that somebody actually tampers with this before it gets to you. So we're gonna be checking this box out, and I'm gonna be looking for a bunch of little hints if somebody got into this box. So if you buy one, you can kind of do the same thing to make sure that your Bitcoins are safe. So this package came in about 3 or 4 days from Switzerland. I live in California, so that was pretty dope. This is what it looks like. I blanked out my address because I don't want you coming to my house, but here we go. This is what it looks like, and the first thing that I'm gonna look for is right here. See that? I don't know if you can see it, but you're gonna see these 2 little tabs, okay, on the inside of the cardboard. Little tiny connectors on either side. If those are broken, that means somebody opened this. These ones are not broken, they're intact. So that's good. Let's rip it. See. Can you see those little tabs on the inside? Not tampered with. Let's check this side. Alright, they also seem to be intact on both sides, so that's good. Now, the next thing that you want to check in general with these type of boxes is right here. So here is like a glue seal, alright, and this is going to glue the box together. Now, a big way to get into these boxes is you get like a hot gun, and what it's going to do is it's kind of going to melt the glue, and then you can peel it open, and then you melt it again, and you can push it back closed. But what that's gonna do is it's gonna create kind of like a trail, okay? So when they glue these boxes, it's usually little spots, so like little drops of glue that then get pressed out. If you heat it up and then reheat it, it's gonna be like a lot more consistent. It's gonna be like a consistent, well-mixed strip, generally. So when I peel this off, I'm gonna see if the glue has been messed with. Okay, so I kind of messed up the first one. I just ripped it and it like pulled off kind of the cardboard. It's like cardboard on cardboard. But if I go a little bit gentler on this side, I don't know if you can see that, but it has globs, like a little glob here and a little glob there, so that's a really good sign. And the glue is so well glued that it's literally like ripping the cardboard apart. So I'm not gonna worry about that. That looks good to me. Alright, so far everything looks good, so let's rip it open and get started. Alright, so I was able to open this thing up right here, and it actually had really cool packaging. The one thing that I think is pretty cool is I got this, wait, what did I get? Okay, so we got, this teaches us how to use it. You get full instructions, and then makes me feel like a kid again. You get a bunch of stickers, alright? You can use these ones to label your hardware devices depending on how many you have. You got these stickers. I wouldn't recommend putting these stickers on your car. Especially do not put these stickers on your laptop or your phone. That incentivizes somebody to steal your phone because they know you got them Kryptons, you know what I'm saying? Okay. We have all these cables. I'm not exactly sure what these are, but we got them. And then right here, you know, we got the BitBox. I pulled it out. Look at this thing. It's just elegant, okay? Look at that. It's so nice. So this is going to protect it from plugging it into your computer. You can just slip that off. And then this is like a full touchscreen thing, so just pull this off right here. Boom. And then there's the BitBox. Alright, and this thing works with sensors, so you touch on top and bottom, and then your screen pops up here, plug it into your computer. Look at that thing. So right here it has this little thing, you know, a little bit of a promotion for its other products that you can get. Congratulations for taking full ownership of your coins. This is why we buy Bitcoin, so people can't take our money, they can't devalue our currency. So we got that, and then right here, I mean, I think this is really cool. It's a thank you. I don't know. I think this is kind of a big deal because like this is a low-key hardware wallet. There's a few videos on YouTube, but I obviously wanted to make this video because not a lot of people talk about it, and when they do talk about it, they just open it up and then set it up. I kind of wanted to talk about why I bought it. You know, like the difference between the other ones. So right here it says, thank you for your order. You're the reason we build the BitBox and we appreciate your support. Our mission is to empower you by making financial sovereignty easy and secure. We build the tools, you make the revolution happen. Welcome to the BitBox family. And then it has a little signature on there. It's pretty cool. So if you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button because I'm going to be doing a step-by-step walkthrough on how to set this thing up on your computer, how to send your Bitcoins over to the wallet, and I'm going to do that with my Mac because there isn't a video showing you how to do it on Mac. So hit that subscribe button and I'll have that video coming to you soon.